Hi there, you're back with Big Al. We're going to do a bit of gardening today, but only just a little bit, It's just a little overview. But before we get into that, the saying of the day, and I'm going to borrow this one from Eric. The whiskey remembers what the dreams forget. Kinda like molasses in late November. Hey man, figure that one out for yourself. Sounds good though, doesn't it? Okay, so a bit of an overview. Me tomatoes come along good. Still yet to decide whether, I'm pretty sure they are cherry tomatoes. The beans, they're sprouting up really good. Can't complain about them. Another week or two I'll start to have a crop. My poor little grapevine, I don't know whether I should snip that down further or not. But yes, it is the wrong time of the year for it to be growing, so another 2 months that should take off. My pencil pines, well, the idea of them is late afternoon when they get bigger to shade the backyard, because in Blackwater it gets over 40 degrees in summer. Mango tree looking pretty spindly, but yeah, it's all shit here. The tyre is there because I don't have any stakes yet. That tree keeps falling over, but I'm going to use that today. I'm going to use that to plant seeds that hopefully will come up. Already looks like my passion fruit vine starting to get a few extra shoots, just getting that a little bit bigger. That's only been in a week. And this poor thing, when I first got it, it was dying. It's a guava tree, they tell me. But you can see it's got some nice new shoots already coming up within a week. So I'm very happy with that. If it's guava tree, I'm definitely over the moon. Guava's right up there with bacon has been freaking awesome. And they're also known as pluggers. So if you get diarrhea, you eat a guava, your diarrhea disappears. And I know that from experience that it does work, and it works very quickly. So something broke off one of my little branches there, but hells yeah. Hells yeah. Okay, so name of the game today. First, I got a couple of seeds. I got some guava seeds and I got some gumnut seeds. They're just your basic guavas, but the gumnut seeds. Look, I've been trying to buy a gumnut tree for ages. No one seems to have them, but I came across a tree with seeds underneath it. I don't know if there are seeds that are too old or what, but if they work, I'll be happy. They are the best looking flowering tree I know of, and they attract the birds, which surprisingly enough I've attracted them already just by having water in my garden. So when we finish, we can put the sprinkler on, fill that up for the birds. So I just chuck them in, bit of water. That's the easiest way to do it, man. They're trees. They don't, the seeds are a bit more resilient than most things and will punch up through almost anything. So that's why I'm using on this, because it will keep a bit of water trapped in there, So just break that up a bit. There's shitloads of these seeds in it. Some of them have got to come up, surely to God. That way I can make guava jelly. You guys love that, And I reckon not just guava jelly, but an idea I've had is guava syrup. What do you do with guava syrup? Haha, you put that on your ice cream. Hell of a lot better than chocolate. Once again, I'd be back in stock with a good soil mix at the local shop. So just spread that in, spread it around. So when I water gets trapped in there. All good, man. Oh, also, you might be able to see there, some of my flower seeds are starting to come up. But before I put this down to expand good soil in my garden, probably out this way, gypsum. Like, my soil's all clayey. That's probably what I should have done from the start, but I didn't actually know where to buy it. Gypsum will break down clay. So I'm just going to lay it out everywhere. I'm going to empty the packet, I think, because even if I don't use it all now, later on, as I expand my garden, and trust me, for all of you guys following me now, what this garden's going to look like in 6 to 12 months time, because it's going to be the whole yard. So give me another week and I'll have some more plants to plant here. Get that last little bit out. So there's 7 to 10 days and I'll be looking at doing something with this. So bit of aloe vera, but there's shitloads there. I don't need to worry about that bit. Work out what I want to put in. I need to put in more bougainvillea. But also I need to track down a someone who can sell me an emperor mandarin tree. Yeah, there's other brands on the market, different flavors and whatever, but the emperor, they're the best. Why settle for anything but the best? Especially if they're all the same price. So yeah, actually there's not much really to look at for you guys now. But actually I'll save this bag for another day, or maybe I won't. I'll just put a friggin' hole in it. Yeah. Actually this is a good spot where I can plant something when I get back. Not proper soil with a bit of sand through it. It's actually topsoil, grass top dressing. And voila, it is done. So what I do now, oh, my neighbour's ducks think I'm here to feed them. Hope those guava seeds come up. There's shitloads of them. If they all come up, good. I'll plant every single friggin' one of them. So I put my stuff on a timer. Just click it around. Oops, wrong way. Gotta go clockwise. Give it a good soaking. See? I've organised that so it just is the right length to spray where the garden is or where it's going to be. I've got to get another one to go across the back fence as I put more stuff in there. Well, you guys, you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, eh? A few more subscribers would be really nice. Hugely appreciated. And maybe you'll learn something from me, or maybe you'll just have a laugh at me. Doesn't matter which. Okay, ciao.